Have you ever clicked on a link on a website and it takes you to another page, maybe Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly that works using HTML. So let's get started. Now, for us to link our web page to another web page, we use a tag that is called anchor. Let's see, A, that stands for anchor. This is the href, which shows the link or the URL for the web page that we want to link our website for. For example, if I want to link my website to Google, now I say https://google.com. Now, here is where I will write my text. This is the text where my user will click on that will redirect them to Google. For example, I can say visit Google. Now with this, now if my user click on this text, now the web page will redirect them to Google. Let's save this and see how it works on the browser. Now on my browser, you can see the link here, visit Google. If I click this one now, it will direct me to Google directly. Let's click that and see. Now you can see now my page have been linked successfully to Google. Now you can see if I press back now, you see I go back to my page, and if I click this link again, I'll go back to Google again. Now you see, you can see now this is Google again. Now you can link your web page to any other website, maybe Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. But now another thing I want to show you is that my link to Google is opening on the same tab with my web page. There must be a situation whereby you want the link to open another tab. Let's see how that works. The anchor https facebook.com. Now for us to be able to visit this link in another tab, just give this one an attribute of target. Just say target, then you give it blank. With this, it will open the Facebook in another tab. Let's say our text is visit. Let's see, just say Facebook. Let's save this and see on our browser. You can see now, if I press this link now, it will open Facebook in a new tab. You can see. Now you see Facebook has opened in a new tab. Now you can see my web page is here and Facebook is here. If I click here again, it will open another new tab for Facebook. Now you can see now it has opened another new tab for Facebook. But even between that one and the first one is that if I click this one, it will open on the same tab with my own web page. You can see now it's open on the same tab with my own web page. And with that, I've explained how to link your web page to another web page. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to add image to your web page using HTML. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get notification whenever I drop the next video.